Blue Shoe 5122 off for 18, 12 and ground. Have a good one.
All right, any questions, concerns, let me know.
Oh, thank you, you too. Bye-bye, thank you.
Thank you.
Hope you enjoy your next flight.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Take care.
Today's flight will be operated on our Embraer 145 aircraft. On this American Eagle flight, your carry-on bags and strollers will be typed with a gate valet tag. Our concierge customers are welcome to board now or anytime during the boarding process through our party lane, and thanks for being with us today. Concierge are welcome aboard. You're welcome. Good morning. Is there any spare batteries or e-cigarettes?
Good morning. Welcome aboard. Good morning. Welcome. Good morning. Welcome.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning.
Hello, how are you?
Good, thank you. This is the final boarding call for American Eagle Flight 6247 with service to Hartford through gate F5.
Please review the safety information card and the exit row seating requirements. In the event of an emergency, you will be required to open this exit and assist passengers off the aircraft.
Your safety is important to us. Please pause for a moment to give your attention to the flight attendant.
Ready for takeoff.